Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by choosing the exact URL you want to save or inspect. Type it into the Wayback Machine search bar and press Enter. Once done, scan listed timestamps for existing snapshots before capturing. This avoids duplicates and shows coverage gaps. If you want to save a fresh copy, click the Save Page Now or equivalent capture button and confirm any prompts. Make sure to remain logged in if you plan recurring captures or managing save snapshots, because that links history to your account. Now you'll dig into captured versions. Select a date on the calendar, then choose a timestamp to load that exact snapshot. As you navigate, compare page structure and assets to understand what changed. Use the timeline to jump between years quickly. If you need evidence or offline use, click Download or save a screenshot where available, and copy the snapshot URL for sharing. Make sure to inspect linked resources individually when a page looks broken. Sometimes images or CSS were not archived together. Finish by verifying the new snapshot appears in the timeline and loads properly. Open it in a private window to confirm public access. If a capture failed, retry immediately using Save Page Now, and consider switching protocol from HTTPS to HTTP or vice versa. Some servers block archive crawlers selectively. Also adjust timing and avoid heavy page scripts by using a lightweight user agent. One key troubleshooting tip: if resources are missing, recapture after disabling JavaScript or capture each subresource URL directly to ensure completeness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.